This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming device details. That informs which fixes apply. Check iOS and model because updates often resolve camera bugs. Once done, remove any case or screen protector that could block the true depth sensors and gently clean the camera with a microfiber cloth. Restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Then go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, disable Face ID, wait a few seconds, and re-enable it so the system resets its enrollment data and sensor calibration. Now you re-enroll Face ID correctly because how you scan matters. Stand in good, diffuse light and hold the iPhone at arm's length, then follow the on-screen prompts, rotate your head slowly twice so the true depth camera captures full facial geometry. If it still fails, choose Reset Face ID and perform a fresh enrollment. That removes corrupted biometric templates. If problems persist, reset all settings to clear conflicting configurations, but be aware this keeps your data while restoring system defaults. Finish by verifying hardware because sensor faults require repair. Inspect the true depth area for cracks, debris, or moisture. Test the front camera and run FaceTime to confirm the camera streams correctly. Update iOS to the latest release. System updates include sensor firmware fixes. If hardware seems damaged or Face ID still fails after software steps, back up your iPhone and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics and possible module replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.